In July 1961, Professor of Social Psychology Stanley Milgram conducted a series of experiments at Yale University to investigate people's responses to a recognized authority. The initial motivation for the experiment was to understand how German citizens were able to carry out the crimes of the Holocaust during World War II. The original experiments were filmed. Two people come to a psychology laboratory in a prestigious university. One of them is designated teacher, the other learner. The experimenter explains that the study is concerned with the effects of punishment on memory and learning.
Would you open those and tell me which of you is which, please?
Teacher. Learner.
Teacher. Now your job is to remember which one of these four other words was originally paired with blue. And you indicate your answer by pressing one of these four switches. Now can you reach those all right? Now if you get it correct, fine. If you make an error, however, you'll be punished with an electric shock.
Though the teacher does not know it, the learner is in fact an actor and will only pretend to receive shocks.
Now each time he gives a wrong answer, you move up one switch on the shock generator. And of course we'll begin with 15 volts for the first wrong answer. Okay? Do not begin until I say ready, begin, please. Attention, learner. Your teacher is about to begin the test. Try and remember the word pairs.
That is incorrect. This one will be 195 volts. The correct one.
Let me out of here.
Slow. Dance.
Let me out of here. My heart's bothering me. Let me out of here. You have no right to keep me here. Let me out. Let me out of here. Let me out.
Continue, please.
Let me out of here. My heart's bothering me. Let
Go
me
on.
out. Let me
You're
out.
responsible for it. Red.
Next one.
I refuse to answer.
Well, you gotta keep getting a shock if you don't answer.
Continue, please. Go right on.
I refuse to go on. Let me out.
Refuses to go on.
The experiment requires you continue, teacher. Please continue. The next word is sad.
This will be at 3:30. The correct phrase is rich
Let me out of
boy.
Necklace, moon, paint. Something's happened to that man in there. You better check in on him, sir. He won't answer me or nothing.
Please continue. Go on, please.
You accept all the responsibility?
The responsibility is mine. Correct. Please go on.
Gold.
150 volts.
Oh,
Sad
the
face.
tormentor. That's all. Get me out of here. I told you I had heart trouble. My heart's starting to bother me now. Get me out of here, please.
Continue.
My heart's starting to
Continue,
bother me.
teacher.
I
Go on.
refuse to go on. Let me out.
I think we ought to find out what's wrong in there first.
The experiment requires that you continue, teacher.
Well, the experiment might require that we continue, but I still think we should find out what the condition of the gentleman is.
Now, as I said before, although the shocks may be painful, they're not dangerous.
Look, I don't know anything about electricity. I don't profess any knowledge, nor will I go any further until I find out if the guy's okay.
It's absolutely essential that you continue.
Well, essential or not, this program isn't quite that important to me that I should go along doing something that I know nothing about, particularly if it's going to injure someone. I don't know what this is all about.
Well, whether the learner likes it or not, we must go on until he's learned all the word pairs correctly.
Well, you can sure have your 450 back. I didn't want it anyhow. I intend to give it to some charitable organization, but I wouldn't go on with it.
The 450 is not the issue here. That check is yours simply
Yeah, I
coming
realize
to the
that.
lab. It is essential that you continue the experiment.
No, it isn't essential. Not one bit.
You have no other choice, teacher.
Oh, I have a lot of choices. My number one choice is that I wouldn't go on if I thought he was being harmed.